Hello, everybody. This is Francisco Martinez for week 3 of Java 2. And what we were supposed to do was pretty much make a CRUD app, but add in fragments that we did the past couple of weeks. Um, let me just start by saying that I couldn't get the fragments in, mostly because I was trying to figure out how to get the CRUD app to work, and then I was thinking about doing it later on. But being that the assignment is already late as it is, and I haven't heard anything back from the professor today, which I doubted I was gonna hear from anyway. Um, I decided to just show what I have right now and just submit it because it's already a day late. So this is my assignment. Um, Currently doesn't do much actually. It does go into a different activity to add something. So if I wanted to add whatever, all I have to do is just either press this arrow or this arrow. It would go through, but unfortunately it crashes. Same thing goes with if I wanted to add something into the application. Now, what I found out once looking at my logcat, as you can see from long errors, um, each of my reasons for the app crashing there's another one here, hold on, this one too, which is coming from my edit activity view. It's coming from my game provider. Everything for some reason is linking to that, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on, but there's no error. There's a couple of warnings with the UIRs that I have up here, but judging by the tutorial that I use, they seem to work fine on the tutorial, so I don't understand why they don't necessarily work on my CRUD app. Um, it's been really frustrating because every time I try to find something that seems to work, it doesn't necessarily work in my favor, and I don't understand why. So yeah, this is pretty much how the app's going right now. As a matter of fact, before, when the app was running, this would work fine. Now, for some reason, it's not working fine. Well, as you can see now, it works. But I have samples of like lists of games that I could use. It's pretty much one, and if I was to press add or delete it, it would add the sample or delete the sample. But obviously, when I do it, it crashes. And as I said before, with the other one, if I press back here, it'll be fine. But if I add something and press back, it's gonna crash. Another thing is this menu right here, which I finally figured out how to use. Come on. It's also supposed to be over here, and for some reason it's not appearing. If it was to appear, um, it would have the option to update the game list by changing it, um, or deleting it if I wanted to, which is right here. But as I said, for some reason that part of the app is not showing up. I don't know why. Again, um, but as I said, as far as all the errors go, I can pretty much pinpoint the fact that it's coming from over here. The problem is, why is it coming over here, and how do I fix it? As I said before, I tried emailing the professor, and well, today, and unfortunately I couldn't reach him. So trying to find the research to do it was already too much time. This would have been the third time I'm redoing this project for this week. So it's just been rough and trying to figure this out. That's pretty much it. You have a good night.